C-130 RIAT 2025 RAF. Full information about this and the details of the Indian aircraft involvement are as follows. Pakistan Air Force PAF participated in RIAT 2025. Air Force, a Pakistan Air Force contingent, which includes the latest JF-17 Thunder Block 3 fighter aircraft and AC-130 Hercules transport aircraft, has arrived in RAF Fairford, the UK. Purpose: PAF participation in RIAT shows the Pakistan Air Force's professionalism, operational capacity, and the strength of its local aviation industry. Asterisk JF-17 Thunder Block 3. This aircraft is first participating in RIAT and is termed as a multi-role fighter jet of 4.5 generation, which is equipped with AESA radar and long-range BVR beyond visual range. Pakistan has claimed that the plane has been used in the recent Pakistan-India conflict. C-130 Hercules. PAF C-30 Hercules aircraft has come up with a special, leverage, color design that is affected by this year's theme, Eyes in the Skies. This design is a symbol of surveillance, awareness of the situation, and the technical superiority of modern air forces. Aerial fuel filling operation. During the UK trip, JF-17 Thunder planes successfully conducted aerial fuel filling operations with the help of PAF's Illinois 78 aerial refilling tanker, which shows the ability to operate PAF's long-range operation. Historical participation. Pakistan has been regularly participating in this event since 2006. Royal International Air Tattoo, RIAT 2025. Dates: 18 to the 20th of July 2025. Location: RAF Fairford, Gloucestershire, UK. Theme: this year's theme is Eyes in the Skies, which highlights the important role of aviation in the fields of aerial surveys, aerial warning, seafood, seafront, search and rescue, detective, signal intelligence and surveillance. Exhibitions. This air show will include aerial performances and ground exhibitions of more than 18 hours of military and urban aircraft from about 30 countries. Are India's aircraft included? The Pakistan Air Force has been officially listed as confirmed, certified in the list of countries participating in RIAT 2025. However, according to the information available, the Indian Air Force has not been included in the list of certified participants for RIAT 2025 till July 17, 2025. Generally, RIAT is one of the largest military air shows in the world, and air forces from different countries from around the world participate. But the list of countries and aircraft attending every year is different. At this time, there is no confirmed news of India's participation. The purpose of these shows. The main purpose of these air shows is to highlight aviation technology, skills and strength globally. These shows promote mutual understanding among the air forces, exchange aviation experiments, and improve the image of modern, technically developed air forces contributing to global peace and security. It is also a means of introducing ordinary people to the world of aviation and encouraging young people to make a career in this field.